YouTube. YouTube. I messed up, man. I can't believe I messed up this guy's haircut.
What?
I'm kind of stressed out right now. I brought him to my house. He said, hey bro, I need a cut. I need you to hook me up. I'm going out of town. And I said, you know what? I got you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I brought him to the house. You know what I'm saying? He came in and everything. He said he wanted to look like The Good Life because he was going out of town. So I said, you know what? I got you, man. But I was so excited to cut his hair because he's been messing with your boy for a long time. And I can't believe I messed his hair up. I gassed him like right here, like really bad. Like I went up too high on my taper. You know what I'm saying? I gassed him like right here. I don't know if he noticed it. You know what I'm saying? But the only thing that I can do best for y'all, man, is that, you know, barbers make mistakes. Barbers mess up. You know what I'm saying? So why not make a YouTube video about it? You know what I'm saying? And y'all be the judge. So make sure, man, before I get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified for any videos that I do come out. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to start making more videos more frequently. You know what I'm saying? I had to get some things in fruition. I had to get some things going on first. You know what I'm saying? But I'm back. Man, let's enjoy this video. Let's get this going. And as always, man, good life over everything.
back. Alright. You did a great, bro. I'm back. Mustache just right. I'm glad you did this though. Cause that was looking stupid.
Oh, that's good.